here I'll start off my back tire and crap and work my way up from there. I have the Maxxis Miracle tire. It's got like no tread whatsoever left on it. I have a salt back hub and rim, 9-tooth cassette. Sounds pretty nice. What else do I got here? I think it's an Eastern sprocket, I'm not really sure. I got a KMZ chain, We the People cranks, Odyssey twisted PC pedals. Everybody uses metal, but a lot of people have these, but a lot of people use metal too. I don't slip as much on these as I do metal. I don't know why. I have an animal seat clamp. Here, let's see if I can focus. Yeah, I can't focus it. Shadow seat post. Fit pivotal seat. Here, fit pivotal. I got a sticker that says I'm helping babies. It's pretty beast. Let me just turn my camera this way. Just like this. I'm helping babies. And for my frame, I haven't even talked about that yet. I have the Take IV6 ST frame. I got a couple Fox Racing stickers. Cause yeah, I got a monster sticker in the front. Looks amazing. Cause I'm a monster. I'm a beast. I got an Odyssey integrated headset. I got S&M Redneck XLT stem, cause yeah, see that? Cause I'm a beast. I have the S&M Grand Slam XLT bars, Gary Young Odyssey grips. They're really nice and comfortable, and when they wear in, they're actually really good. Got an S&M bar on this end because yeah, the other one fell out. See, I got the Fit Shiv forks. They're really nice and light, freaking amazing. I'm pretty sure I have a salt front hub and rim. Got a Shadow tire. Here, let me try and find the thing. Like Shadow, see? I don't know what kind of tire it is. I just know it's a Shadow. I don't know which type of Shadow tire. And yeah, I'm not carrying. That was my video bike check. Peace.